This is the view from Vale Elementary in Kashmir, Washington from yesterday. And this is an area under a freezing rain advisory, at least through the morning of Friday. So things definitely a little bit more unsettled in the higher elevations. We have been watching moisture spreading from the Pacific and some of that colder air at the surface, allowing for some of that freezing rain to take place. All right, as we take a look at our weather headlines then, nationwide, of course, the Pacific staying pretty active in the northwest, but the Ohio Valley is getting very wet. And that'll be with us through at least tomorrow morning. A pretty soggy Friday ahead, but 1 to 2 inches of rain possible through areas in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. This is that impulse of energy we were looking at yesterday with the Four Corners region. There could be some thunderstorms within this area. A marginal severe threat today over parts of Arkansas. Everything will be shifting northeast overnight and early tomorrow. Could even see a little bit of a wintry mix as you get up into the northeast for that early weekend time frame. We quiet down, and then another impulse of energy slides through the midsection of the nation late weekend and early next week. Could have some light accumulations of snow and also a little bit of that wintry mix. Mostly rain as you head down closer to the Gulf Coast and the lower Mississippi Valley. But look at that, the northwest staying pretty active still, even into early next week, with those tallies approaching, say, several inches. Here's a look at our forecast in terms of rainfall. We're taking 12-hour snapshots now. And as we go from about 6 p.m. Friday to 6 a.m. or 6 a.m. Saturday, what you're noticing here from the Ohio Valley down into the Tennessee Valley, quite a bit of those purples and pinks, and that's indicating about an inch of rain or more, at least liquid. And then also through that time period from late tonight to early tomorrow, some pretty decent moisture. The overall flow across the nation in the upper levels of the atmosphere is more zonal, which means that the coldest of the air has actually retreated back north into Canada. But how about that in San Fran today?